How to add people to Snapchat group story. To add people to Snapchat's group story, first of all, you have to go ahead and add people to this shared story by simply launching the application first of all. Then tap on your Bitmoji icon on the top left corner of the screen to access your profile page. From here, scroll down to the My Stories section. Once you're here, you simply have to tap on the three vertical dots over here, and then you will find this Add Friends to Story option. You simply have to go ahead and then tap on this Add Friends option. From here, search your contacts and add them to your friends list on Snapchat. Once you do this, you simply have to now proceed to create a story. Go ahead and tap on this Add Snap option. Once you select your media, you simply have to go ahead and then tap on this Friends tab over here and post it. And this is how you can add people to the Snapchat's group story. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.